Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the device and whether restrictions are active. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings Screen Time. On Mac, open System Settings Screen Time or Profiles. Once done, make sure you know the Screen Time passcode or admin account. Without it, you can't restore private browsing if it's blocked. If a management profile exists, note the administrator. This saves time and prevents lockouts. Now proceed to temporarily disable or adjust restriction settings so Safari can show private mode. Next, enable private browsing in the browser itself. On iPhone or iPad, open Safari, tap the tabs icon, choose Private, then tap Done. This switches you into private mode instantly. On Mac, choose File New Private Window or press Command-Shift-N to open a private window. If the private option doesn't appear, return to Screen Time and under Content and Privacy Restrictions, set web content to unrestricted or remove the restriction. Make that change. Then repeat the Safari steps to confirm private works. Finally, verify private browsing is active. Look for the private label or darker window and confirm cookies/history aren't saved. If the setting doesn't take effect, restart the device to flush cached restrictions and retry the Safari steps. If restarting fails, check for an installed management profile in Settings General VPN and Device Management or System Settings equivalent. Remove it only if you control the device or contact the administrator. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.